Hi everybody, this is Alex at seekoptics.com. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the rubber pieces on the Oakley Flak jacket XLJ. There are 3 rubber pieces to replace, one being the temple middle, and of course the nose pads. It's a very easy process, and if you follow my instructions you'll have it down in no time. What I would recommend is removing the temple altogether so that it's easier to work on. What you do is you flip the frame around, hold it firmly, and just pull towards yourself until you hear a pop, and the temple will come right off. Let's put the frame aside for now. To remove the temple piece, go ahead and use a little bit of hand sanitizer on the end and just pull the piece off. It'll come right off easily. To remove the middle piece, you just twist and pull away, just like that. Now to remove the nose pad is also very simple. You just go ahead and pull upward and against yourself. Comes right off. So now those are the 3 pieces that we should be removing. Now let's go ahead and do everything in reverse so I can show you how to put it back on. Let's start with the nose pad. Let's take the nose pad, put the bottom half of the nose pad on, pull up, and push forward. And there you go. Nose pad is back on. Now let's work on the temple. You can use a little bit of hand sanitizer on this part here. And all you do is slide it in, just like that, and there you go. Same thing with the temple tip. Use a little bit of hand sanitizer. It'll dry quickly. So you just take the temple rubber piece, slide it on, and it'll slide very easily. Now you have both pieces on the temple. And to put the frame back together, you just insert the tabs into the appropriate holes, push forward until you hear a snap, and the temple will come right on. There you go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit seekoptics.com.